size 5, size 4.
Right, so just in case you receive the latest batch and you get some shakiness in the handlebar, this is how to resolve it. Okay, so take a size 4mm and 5mm, remove the 2 screws here. Okay, you can pull out the whole, unscrew the lock. Right, so you pull out this whole unit here. Okay. No, just you. Okay, and then take put a screwdriver through, right, and to give you torque. Right, and you want to turn anti-clockwise. So after taking apart the handlebar here, right, you see a few pieces. You see this red color thing. You see the spring. You see the metal washer, and then you see this part of the handlebar, right? Okay, so what we want to do is we want to secure this metal washer. Right, you want to just pad it. We're padding with electrical tape, so that's the best. Right, just do a round of electrical tape both on the inside and outside. Add some grease just so that the spring can slide in and out. Okay, so how you assemble it, right? We'll show you step by step how to assemble it. No, the spring goes in first. Okay, so the spring and then the washer to cap off the spring. Right. Okay, make sure the rough part, right, is facing inwards here. Okay, screw it in. Right, the washer is acting like a stopper to ensure that the spring is not out of place. Okay. Right, tighten up by threading a screwdriver to ensure it's tighter. Slot it back in. Of course, before you actually do this, make sure you remove your LCD. Okay. Tighten the 2 screws on the front. Okay. What do you think?
Yeah, better than almost the same.